Just got your new Bank of America credit card? Here's how to activate it step by step. First, open a browser and go to bankofamerica.com. At the top, click Log In and enter your user ID and password to access your online banking. Once you're logged in, find Account Services and click on Activate a Credit Card. Now, enter your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV, the 3-digit code on the back of your card. Double-check everything, then submit your request. If everything is correct, you'll see a confirmation that your credit card is now active and ready to use. You can also activate your card by phone. Just call the number on the sticker attached to your new card. Follow the automated prompts and verify your identity. Once done, your card will be activated immediately. And that's it. 2 quick ways to activate your Bank of America credit card. Like and follow for more helpful guides.